Yeah, we're going to take a look at how we can use data discovery to identify personally identifiable information. This is so that we can identify sensitive data within your databases. In this tutorial, we're firstly going to review an existing scanning activity we have set up. We're then going to execute the scan. And then finally, we're going to inspect our PII and sensitive data that has been identified. Are in enterprise test data, and we have a scanning activity set up here. And we've set up our scanning activity with 3 types of classifiers for identifying different types of data. We have one which can look at the data within our columns and match them to regular expressions to identify particular data characteristics. We have another which will look at the column names and column data types. And then we have a third type here, which is going to look at seed lists and look at particular data values. Now, once we have a scanning routine set up, we can execute this and we can go away and run it to go and perform a scan against our data source. It's complete. So let's come back and look at our definition. And what we'll see is that inside our definition, we've got multiple tags against our fields, and we've identified the PII data here. If we come in and we look at our diagram view, we'll see is that against certain fields, we have a little symbol, and the shield is showing us that these particular attributes have been classified as PII, and these are potentially fields that we're going to want to go in and resolve with our test data activities to either mask or synthetically generate into. Watching this video, if you would like to learn more, visit curiositysoftware.ie.